Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to our latest video tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a discussion forum in Blackboard. So first open up your class page in Blackboard, and you have two ways to create a discussion forum. Under Course Tools here, and select Discussion Board. Or you can actually go to your course itself and click on Tools and select Discussion Board. And then here you'll get Create Link Discussion Board. Alright, so if you have previous discussion boards, you can set up a link or click on Select a Discussion Board or create a new forum. So let's go ahead and click a new forum. Here we will call it demo forum. You can type in the description. And then you have the options, form availability, where you can make it available to students, yes or no. You can enter date and time restrictions. You have the below forum settings, where you can have the threads standard view, or you can have participants create a thread. Here you have the options of adding to grades, but since we're not using any grades with discussion forums, then select no grading in forum. You can allow members to subscribe to the forum if you want. Here you can allow the participants, the students, to post anonymously, or you can allow the author to delete their own posts or edit their own posts, or members can create new threads or allow file attachments and so on. So you can select the settings that you want. Here you can add post tagging or allow members to rate posts if you like, and then click on Submit. Alright, and you'll find that here's the forum. Okay, so select it and click Next if you want to edit your settings again. Alright, to verify, click on Discussion Board under Course Tools, select your class, and you will notice that I have some forms already made. This is what it looks like from a teacher's view. I might ask them to answer some questions or describe a question or so on. So this is the new form that I created. You notice that it is grayed out because I have not put a post in there. So let's say I'll click here, and now I'm going to create a thread. So let's say, for example, I can ask a question. Let's say describe picture on page 75. If I want, I can put the picture in here itself, or I could just give instructions to the students. For example, I can add an attachment or file if I want, and then click Submit. Alright, there you go. You'll see that 0 unread posts and replies, because I just started the post. So all the students would have to do is just click on reply, and then they can enter their response. Alright, so I'll show you a sample that I have already. For example, describe a picture, and the students can describe here. I can see how many students who replied, who sent posts, and so on. So here, describe a picture, and these are the students' responses. Alright, and then you as a teacher, if you want, you can reply to it, you can email them, you can edit, you can delete it, and you can quote it. So really nice tool that if you want to use within your class, that can be used as writing also, as a support. Alright, so again, let's look at it from a student view. So let's click on Student Preview. Students will go to this option right here. Again, if you need to see what it looks like in English, click translate and discussion board, and there you go. Students can come here and they can click on the form that they need to reply to. Alright, so let's exit the preview. So this concludes how you can create a discussion forum in your class. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope this was beneficial. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.